Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome if you are new. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now let's get right into this video. So today was kind of a freestyle set. I'm doing some extra long polygel nails. I will be doing the Louis Vuitton theme nails. And here I'm just putting on some base coat to my nails. Notice I'm not putting it over the whole nail. I'm just focusing it where the natural nail is, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds. And then once we have that cure, I'm using Modelones nude color in the shade 005, and then I'm also using their slip solution. So I'm just going to put some polygel onto the nails from the cuticle down to the tip, just adding a little bit, and then I'm going to dip my brush into the slip solution and just pat it into place. And I only used a little bit because I am using my non-dominant hand, so I only added a little bit of polygel, that way I can have more control. And once I cure this for 30 seconds, I'm going to go in and add more polygel. The Modelones Polygel consistency, I think, is my favorite out right now, because I tend to put like a lot of polygel and like it's not too stiff to where I can't really move it, or like when I put a lot it's not running all over the place. It's just right. So yeah, this is my favorite polygel. And in my last video, if you haven't seen my last video, please make sure that you go check it out. I will link it in the cards. I mentioned that I had some good news for you guys. I got some discount codes for 2 companies. I will leave them on the screen and in the description box below, just in case you want to check them out. You will receive 10% and 15% off your orders. If you would like to purchase from them, please make sure that you use my code. I do earn a small commission. And this was me putting on the second layer to the pinky nail, and notice it looks a little bumpy, but there's nothing filing can't fix. So I'm just going on to the second nail and doing the same thing. I'm adding a thin layer of polygel to have more control, just patting that into place using the slip solution that was provided in the kit. And then once I cure, I'm going to do the same thing, adding another layer to build up the nail. If you're watching this and you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, because I will be doing a giveaway once I hit 400 subscribers. So for a chance to win, you must be subscribed. And then once I hit 400 subscribers, I'm going to do a video and explain all the details and the rules. And I will be showing what's going to be given away. And this will be my first giveaway, so I'm very excited for that and excited to see who wins. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Once I did my ring finger, I just did it the same way. So for my middle finger, I'm going to be doing negative space, so I only added a bead of polygel to the cuticle of the nail, and then I'm just patting that into place, stopping it where I want it to stop. And then I will go in with some more polygel towards the tip of the nail, because I want the negative space to be in the middle. So I'm going to add some polygel once I cure this to the tip, and then doing the same thing, patting it around, stopping it where I want it to stop. And then I will go back in and add a second layer to this, because once I finish adding this polygel, I will go in with my hand file and file this color polygel to make sure that the lines are crisp. Otherwise they will overlap, so I won't show me adding it, because you don't want to have it too thin, because if it's too thin then you won't have anything to file. So once I cured that, I added the second layer, and then moving on to the next finger, I'm doing the same thing, but my negative space will be at the tip of the nail, so I'm adding the polygel down the nail. So once I was done with this nail, I added the second layer, and then I also did the thumbnail, a full cover of this color. And then here's how the nails are looking. And like I said last time, I'm just gonna file, so I'm taking my hand file and just making sure that I add pressure towards the polygel and just making that line as straight as it can be. after filing the lines where my negative space will be, I'm going in with some base coat. I'm putting a generous amount where the negative space will be, and then I'm taking these gold foils that I got from AliExpress and just putting some into the base coat. Not really like filling it up, but it will be to where you can like see through the nail. And I'm just going to do that for both of the nails, and then I'm going to cap this with some clear acryl gel. And once I finish capping those nails, these are how the nails are looking. So these nails are a little bit bumpy, so I'm just going to wipe off the sticky layer and then go in with my filing. I'm going to reshape the nails and file the surface and also near the cuticle area. And after filing, these are how the nails are looking. They look so much better. And then next I'm going to go in with my buffer and just buff the nails to remove all the scratches from the nails. So once I remove all the dust from the nails, I'm going to go in with my Modelones nail foil glue, and I will be adding some transfer foils. I will be using Louis Vuitton foils, and I will link everything that I use down below. I'm just putting a generous amount of foil glue, and then I'm going to cure for 30 seconds and apply the nail foils. And I'm only showing you guys one nail because transfer foils can be a little tricky for me, so I just kept one nail in just so you guys can see. And then next I'm going in with these gold rhinestones. I'm using some base or top coat, I forgot which one it is. I'm just putting on some of that where I would like the rhinestones to be. And these rhinestones are heart shaped. I don't know if you could tell or not, but I'm just putting some where the nude color and the transfer foil meets. And then this is how the nail looks. I cured it for 30 seconds and I also did the other fingers. And then for the other two fingers, I'm going to be using these Louis Vuitton stickers. So I'm just going to take the Louis Vuitton ones, the big logo ones, and just stick it onto the nail. And once I finish applying the stickers, these are how the nails are looking. So next I'm just going to add some top coat. I'm going to cure for 60 seconds and then add some cuticle oil. then after doing that, these are how the nails turn out. I do love these so much. I love the length, the shape of the nails, and my favorite two are the middle and the index. The other fingers where I did the transfer foils, I don't really like those too much because I don't know, like transfer foils are really tricky for me, so they didn't really apply as good as I thought. But these are how the nails turn out, and if you have made it this far, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.